Let's play a game called NIM. It's been around for a long time and people have used it to explore smart ways of thinking and winning. It might seem simple at first, but there's actually a trick to it. We'll start with 10 marbles. 2 players take turns picking up 1, 2, or 3 marbles. Whoever picks up the last marble loses. Let's see what happens when 2 players play without any plan, just picking randomly. Player 1 takes 2, 8 left. Player 2 takes 1, 7 left. Player 1 takes 3, 4 left. Player 2 takes 2, 2 left. Player 1 takes 1, 1 left, and player 2 has to take the last one and loses. Now, if your goal is to win, you might start thinking, is there a strategy that always works? In fact, this game has been studied by mathematicians for over 100 years. Pause here and try a few rounds with your friends. See if you can spot a pattern or find a strategy. Let's try this game with a small number of marbles and work our way up to see if we can spot a pattern. 1 marble. If it's your turn, you lose. 2 marbles. If you go first, take 1 and leave the last to your opponent. You win. 3 marbles. Again, if it's your turn, take 2. You'll win. 4 marbles. Take 3 and you'll win again. So, if there are more than 1 but fewer than 5 marbles, you want to go first. And you know exactly what to do to win. Pause here. Try to continue on your own and figure out how to win with 10 marbles. Now let's keep going. 5 marbles. If you take 1, 2, or 3, you'll leave your opponent with 4, 3, or 2, and they can win, like we saw earlier. So in this case, better to let them go first. 6 marbles. Take 1 and leave them with 5. Now they're in trouble. Be the first to move. 7 marbles. Take 2 and leave them with 5 again. 8 marbles. Take 3 and leave them with 5. But with 9 marbles, no matter what you take, you can't leave them with 5. So let them go first. If they take 1, you are left with 8. You know what to do now. If they take 2, you have 7. You've seen that before. If they take 3, you get 6. Take 1 and leave them with 5. Win again. So if you can leave your opponent with 9 marbles, you're in control. 10 marbles. Take 1, leave them with 9, and win. Let's talk about our general strategy. Again, pause here to try formulating it on your own. Well, this is my way of thinking. The trick is that you want to leave your opponent with 1, 5, or 9 marbles. Did you notice the pattern? These are all one more than a multiple of 4. So, if you start with one of these numbers, let your opponent go first. Otherwise, go first yourself and make sure every one of your moves leaves them with one of those key numbers. And if they don't know the strategy, you'll be in control of the whole game. Now you can go play this game with your friends. Well, be generous. Let them know how it works eventually. Like and subscribe. If you need help with anything math-related, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll do my best to make more fun videos to help you learn. See you soon!